Hey guys, I'm back. Same day as before I got this metal in my finger. This is part two. Just came back from the hospital. Well, came back from the hospital around. One second. U P U B. Well, some of the people I'm friends with are really dense. Like, hey, one sec, guys. I'm making a vid. What vid? Like what? Uh, good look. Whatever. Um. Whatever class. Class. Oh, Chad. Whatever, Chad. um. So yeah, what happened was, well, 2 hour wait. It's fucking insane. Then we finally got to see the doctor. We got the minor injury thing. I forgot what it's called. He stuck a needle in my finger, like right here. He put freezing in my finger. Step with that thing. My friends are on. My sister. Um, and the doctor, he grabbed one of the needles used for vaccination. Well, in Canada, here, it's weird. Stop with the banging! I'm making a YouTube video here. Can't you tell? And what he did is he used a needle to dig it out. That's what I think. I wasn't looking. Like my hand, like right here. Like what's that? See? Don't look at it. Like my hands over here, lying down, and I'm like this. Do it. Just do it. Just, just do it. Just do it. Do it now. I can feel it. You tell them. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm okay now. I got on these stupid things. You're not looking at it. You're not getting my address. You're not gonna know where I live. All I know is I live in Canada. And so yeah. So I'm good now. It was a flake of metal. Oh, and 1 second. Where's that fucking piece of metal? Let's see here. Where is it? Here it is. I'm using arc welding to make beads, welding beads. Where'd that go? Oh, 1 second. Don't talk to me. What I was thinking is this. Oh, damn piece of shit. It's solid steel. And what's that finger? Where's the damn? Oh, on the wrong side, idiot. So I was doing this right here, on the speed. I finished it, cooled it down, showed it to my teacher. Then, as I was bringing it back to do the tack welds, I ran my finger against it, like this, and piece of metal got me. What's happened? Oh my god, Chad. Stop talking! So yeah. So this is what I made. And then what I did, I put the gut bandit on, put the gut back on, started welding again. Because you asked me to chop in half, then I welded it back there. That's why it's like an angle like that. I used arc weld, bitch. Don't swear, guys. Don't swear. It's a bad habit. Hurt me down. What the hell? Okay, now he was wearing a dress. Okay, bye guys. I will see you guys next time. I'll see you next time I get injured or something. Maybe, hopefully not injured. So yeah. Bye.